Oh, last 2 seconds ang clock. Last 2. Simbol?
Bantay!
Oh, last 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Intercept by Pasqua. Intercept by Reyes. Is now to Cariaga. Hits the basket. Intercept by Saleh. 15 second shot clock. Last 10 second shot clock. Last 7 second shot clock. 7 second shot clock.
Okay, 7 seconds. Tira na. Okay, nice dyan. Labas.
Beng. Ayun, lakas.
Eight minutes and 5 seconds. Tapon.
Yes! Sila lang. 12 points.
10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds violation.
Kulang sila.
Balik na. Agad. 7 minutes and 5 seconds.
7 minutes.
15 seconds shot clock. Pasqua now. Points. Balik na. 15 seconds shot clock. Lacrosse. Traveling Wilson. Cariaga. Pasqua, no good. Lira, no good. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Lacrosse. Easy basket. 2 points. 50-38. Last 6 minutes. 6 minutos. 10 seconds shot clock. Rubay Caprina. No good. Lacrosse. 2 points. Continue.
Pag mayroon tayo, dito tayo.
5 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Konsa. 15 seconds shot clock. Stop.
Foul, sino foul?
Ini tayo, 2 points.
Okay lang.
Last 5 minutes. 10 seconds shot clock. Konsa, no good. Last shot. Malapit ka, kawan na rin. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10 seconds shot clock.
Tirado! Bang! Miwas lang pre.
Pasqua, easy basket. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock.
Plasado, plasado.
Pasok mo lang, Lek. Pasok mo na, Lek. Doon ka sa kabila, doon ka sa kabila.
15 seconds shot clock. Pando, Troy Harris.
Ganda ng pass.
Bay, dali, bay. Takbo, bay.
Interceptorize Shalit.
Oh, pasok na. Wag muna.
Cross from the rim area.
Wag.
Ibahan by Cabrera. Intercept again, Said.
Pahinga.
10 seconds shot clock. Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock.
Balik lang.
10 minutes.
Titira yan. Taas lang kamay. Titira yan.
Sapul. No good. Ang ganda. De La Cruz. Oh, wala. 2 minutes and 30. Tapos na. To the rim area. No good. Cross handball.
Wala ko rep!
Substitution. 2 minutes and 16. 10 minutos of 16 segundos. Ang naibilin sa oras. 2 minutes. Second half. That's 2 minutes and 10. 15 seconds shot clock. Last 2 minutes. 5. 3 seconds violation. Committed in Leopoldo. Points Pasqua. 1 minute and 50. And complete by Victor. Intercept by Gagos. 1 minute and 40. Sapul on my contact. Master Pogi. Acquisition Harris out coming in copy. 1 minute and 33 seconds to end the second half. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Official score. Already. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds. Tensi sa shot clock. Reyes, Lumba. Ay, may follow-up si Lumbando. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Nice one.
3 points. Last 60 seconds. 55 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 40 seconds.
Step Curry!
36 seconds.
Anim lang yan, idol! Anim! Gamit ang paula! Gamit ang paula!
30 seconds.
May
Foul tayo.
Lumabas ka. Walang hassle.
28 seconds. So running fouls pa yung red team. 28 seconds. Nasa 14 seconds shot clock.
Dito ka lang. Yan.
Foul ka sa bawat. 26 seconds. 5 running fouls. Kuha. 10 team. At 3 running fouls. 24 seconds.
Dalawa pa.
Last 24 seconds.
Walk-in.
Warning for penalty.
Tama.
Wala nang tayo mga turing team.
Yan ang nakasit na yan. Hindi nila kinukuha si Mark.
Greenbone. Ibigay sa akin dito. Mark, dito si Mark. Greenbone. Mark. Greenbone. Si Mark. Mark. Uy.
Yan.
Ako dito ah. Kunin mo muna ng bola. Si Mark ko.
Sino may boss?
Ikaw mo Greenbone. Ikaw Nikin.
Sige. Si
Diyan.
Mark hindi kinukuha si Mark.
Nakakadiri dyan.
Mark.
Tayo. Uy. Ikaw to ha. Ikaw to.
Number 2.
Bigay ka ng screen. Dito ako. Ha? Tanggap ako ng bola pero wala. Bigay mo kay Mark.
Sige.
Huwag kayo dyan.
Mark, sure. Mark, sa'yo ka bibidyo ah. Sa'yo ka bibidyo. Sa iyong bola eh. Ito pinagawa niya yan? Gano'n? 110 lang. Dito? Hindi, sa atin.
Wala na tayong shot clock ha. Last 21 seconds. Last 21 seconds. Twenty-one seconds. Fifteen seconds. Last 12 seconds. Time remaining, 12 seconds. Last 12 seconds to end the second half.
Pag pumasok, baba ka na.
May foul tayo, 11 seconds. Last 10 tayo. May foul tayo. Last 5 seconds. 1:26. Last 5 seconds tayo, last 5.
Bitin lang.
Congratulations, Red Team, on finals. Sayang.